Alright guys, we have some experience with the while loop. Let me go ahead and run this real quick. Alright, it goes 1 through 10, okay? We also are going to be more susceptible to infinite loops, which is a bug. Alright, let's say I accidentally on purpose made this greater than 0. And now let's trace this. Is 0, while C is greater than 0. Okay, not 10, greater than 0. Okay. Or equal to, because we're starting at 0. Alright. Alright, this is the one I want to do. I accidentally did this. Okay, I'm going to run it, and let's watch this. Whoa, look how fast these numbers are climbing. On the bottom here, this is stuck in an infinite loop. And this program will never be reached, right? There was no compiler error, there was no warning that gave me this. Now look at the scroll bar. See how it's still climbing to the top? Because there's more information just being piled down. We already got 230,000. I'm sure if you ran this program like we did in video 2, the optional video, it'll probably run quicker since it's not running through this environment. If you probably ran it, this computer is only Windows 7. You know, I'm sure if you had a stronger computer, these numbers would climb faster than mine are climbing. But I like this computer. I'm going to stick with it till it dies. I'll probably just rewipe the drive to see if because the hard drive's probably going to crash first. Anyway, the point is, you can get stuck in infinitely. See this little red button right here? You can stop your program and it'll kill the entire program at any time. And now your memory is freed. But basically, this thing's going to climb until it runs out of memory. Until it doesn't have enough memory to store the highest value. We're going to go over the maximum amount of memory in a double in a different series, which is coming right up. There's only one more topic I'm going to cover in this series. Then you're no longer going to be a beginner, you're going to be a novice. Alright. Let's say we made this true. Okay, so that's basically what I did, is made this true. It'll always be true. Ooh. An error. Unreachable statement. Ah, okay. The IDE, the NetBeans IDE, figured out that this is never going to be reached, because this is true. The IDE wasn't smart enough to figure out greater than or equal to 0 is always true in this case, because there could be more computations that I can alter C based on an if statement or a condition. But in this case, if I made this true, which you'll probably never just use true in a while loop. Now here's what we can do. Okay, this is a bad example. This is my last example. Nope. I'm gonna wait till the next video. All right. But this is something that we're talking about, is an infinite loop, and it's common, and you can't always catch it, because you don't usually get a warning, except now. This case, the compiler's being nice and giving me a warning that, hey, look, this isn't going to be reached, ever. But when you actually have some complex conditional statements, your IDE may or may not be smart enough to pick up on it. But it is 2019, so... And I know there's a lot of new IDEs out there that are becoming more popular, and they might be more intelligent to keep the bugs to a minimum. But when I was learning to program, this was several years ago. I think I can even say 10 years ago. Yep. Yeah, I didn't even have the red squigglies to tell me what was going on. Alright, I'm going to stop talking right there because I'm going to keep rambling on. Next video, we're going to talk a little bit more about the while loop. There's one more thing I want to cover in this video series about the while loop. And then we'll hammer down the while loops in the novice series and really get the full understanding. Thank you for watching, and let's watch the next video.